Hello everyone, this is Real Elon. So today we are coming to do a short tutorial how I do edit my video graphic on Capcut. So what we need to do is to open the Capcut application right there. So guys, what we have to do here is that let's try to open the Capcut. This is Capcut. Let's select Capcut and we are on the Capcut page now. This is the Capcut page. So the next thing we need to do is to select a project. You click here, select project, and I've already gotten some videos, so let's click this video. Let's edit this video graphic. So we add the video. After adding the video, what you need to do next is to watch for adjust. This is adjust. Okay, we are on the adjust bar now. So what we need to do, the first thing we need to set is the brightness. So we'll reduce the brightness to 15. Let's say 15, the brightness 15, brightness 15, the contrast to 10, contrast 10. The next thing we need to do is a sharpen 80. Then we move to the HSL. This is where the graphic work. So for the red, let's use minus 15, plus 15, then the orange minus 18, let's say 18, plus 18, then the yellow. For the yellow we use minus 65, and plus 58, plus 58, plus 51. The green we use minus 68 also, 68, then 0 plus 23, then we take the blue minus 53, plus 43, let's use 43 here, 43, let's see the 43. So you guys are seeing the graphic is working. Then minus 39, so as you can see, this is the original video and this is the graphic, but we are not done yet. So we need to use the alight minus 20, let's minus 28, and the shadow plus 18. Let's keep the shadow plus 18, and let's watch for some temperatures. Okay, let's take a temperature 11. Let's give a heat 11 temperature. Sure. Then a fade HUE. This is where the work is going. See, this is the graphic, and we give some virginity, let's say 15. And for the HUE you might take 100. That's cool. So let's watch what we have done so far. So let me just volume this. see, this is graphic, cinematic graphic. If you want to edit your videos like this, you know, this is cinematic. Have you seen? So thank you very much. We expect. So this is how I used to edit my videos on Capcut. It's really simple. It's really simple. So if you are interested in this video, do well to turn on your notification button and subscribe to my channel for any time I drop videos like this. You know, stay tuned.